Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S game on here with not a reaction. Ooh. Alright, here was. So today is Valentine's Day. Feeling generous. We want 5 female artists we feature up on the channel. 5 female artists. Me no want a man send me something, you know. We want 5 female artists to reach out on Instagram at Jamaica_words_gamer. See it right here, so. Send the song them in my DM and we can feature the song them on the channel. Any the top 2 of them where the audience them like, because we are gonna put up a vote, you know. The top 2 where the audience them like, we are gonna bust the artist that area. We are gonna run with the artist song there. Every song the artist drop from now on, we are gonna run with the artist there and bust the artist there. What I wanna say? First time a reaction person I do this. And I'm here do it first. See me? So yeah. Female artists link up. Make we do this. Alright?
Bascom X, me I send out a competition to you. Me I send out, we're gonna do it for the fans. We are the 10 songs. We are gonna upload 10 songs Bascom X and make us see who can put up the nicest 10.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S game here with another reaction? Move. Today, guys, we're here with Khago. Yeah, man, Khago, Cowboy Town. So this is Khago entry to round 3 of the sing-off between him and Bascom X. Yes, I want to see the video a while ago, so I'm going to have to explain to it already. We're in round 3. So Khago sent me this one via WhatsApp because he might try upload it from last night and it not upload. I don't know what go on team YouTube. So if anybody out there fuck with him YouTube, don't stop because the G can't upload the video on him channel right now. So where there's a will, there's a way. So I have it. So make we jump in it and hear a Khago and deal it. Let's go. Khago, Cowboy Town, let's go.
It's just a jungle.
All the people love and appreciate good music. Represent, ready?
You know a gangster city. You know a sky. Place that we live in. Cowboy Town. We're living in a cowboy town. It's a cowboy town. We're living in a cowboy town. Cowboy town, yeah. Living in a cowboy town, yeah. Cowboy town. A cowboy town, yo.
Ready?
Yo, the last one step on my shoes, never leave it talk about it. And the last one tell me about me mother never give me brag about it.
Yeah. Cowboy Town, you're living now. So the reason why you keep seeing this cover art is because this one is off an album, One More Mile, Khago One More Mile album. So this is the reason why you keep seeing this, alright? So make it go again. Let's go, Cowboy Town.
It's
Khago.
just a jungle.
Bascom X, you listen to him? Bascom, you hear what he must say? A Cowboy Town, him going now. What go on?
You know a gangster city. You know a sky. Place that we live in.
Why?
Cowboy town, we're living in a cowboy town. It's a cowboy town, we're living in a cowboy town.
Sing off, ready?
Cowboy town, yeah, living in a cowboy town, yeah. Cowboy town.
Remember, say a vocal war. Bascom X versus Khago. Ready now?
Yo, the last one step on my shoes, never leave it talk about it. And the last one tell me about me mother never give me brag about it. Yeah, from my waist from me time me touch the road and see wrong. I'm a cat from my side of my back, yo, she never yet nervous. A cowboy town, you know I say everybody have them, yeah. A cowboy town, you show them the other city like we not take no time. A cowboy town, yeah, living in a cowboy town, yeah. Cowboy town, this me I get down, yeah.
Second verse.
Cowboy town, always around, yeah. change, not the church never real. I just peel back the onion and show some boy how we really stay. Cowboy Town,
living in a cowboy.
Cowboy Town, you this me and you getting down, boy. Cowboy Town, you living in a cowboy town. A cowboy town, catch them a cowboy town, yeah. Cowboy town, that is splash on the road every day, yeah. Cowboy town, cowboy town. Yeah, when I fling a spear, man, I fling deep in your face. Yo, you this gangster, you know, we don't walk with no mess. Yeah, in the face. Whoa, ankle and catch. Don't make your cat watch. Well, cowboy town, yeah. Living in a cowboy town, yeah. Cowboy town, you this catch on them, you get down. Cowboy town, this is cowboy town, Skywalker. Sky God with a long tanker, a cowboy town. Careful how you walk, yeah. Cowboy town, cowboy town.
Yeah. Make up yourself, Khago. Yeah, man. Make up yourself, Bascom for the show when I put on win a round 3. So I wish this could go to round 10 because I feel like the 5 round them is not good enough. It's the 5 round them too quick. We want 5 more songs on top of the 5. We want 10 round. Like a boxing. Remember it's a versus, remember it's a competition, you know. So it's a boxing, 10 round, even 12 too. Yeah, let me know what you think. What do you think about this one though, from Khago? This is his entry to round 3. I've dropped the Bascom X already. That's going to be pinned over my head right now. So you can go and check it out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. I'll be down there. Like I said, where there's a will, there's a way. If Khago can upload them over my channel, make me go get the MP3, the MP4 them, and just play them over here. So, yes, done? Yes. Let me know what you guys think about it though, alright? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rock on earth.